guys, another condo tour. Let's go. Another condo tour. On the right side, we have coffee and tea. Then lutuan. Have water here. What's left? Then rice cooker, very high-tech, from Japan. What do you have here? Slippers, kitchenette. There's a lavabo. There's a, what do you call this one, babe? Puree.
Water purifier.
No. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, water purifier.
And there's a.
Oh, that's automatic. That's nice.
Automatic.
I want to get that, babe. That's nice.
Automatic.
Yeah.
Then here, what we have here? Cups, coffee cups, plate, glasses, and here, cute mug.
Japanese style.
Japanese style.
Konnichiwa.
Konnichiwa. And wait. Look at the bidet. I'm so excited. And the left side, there's CR, bathroom. Where's the light here? Look at the toilet. Cleansing and bidet. Kids dry auto. Very high-tech. Toilet paper. They have Q-tips, cotton buds, shower.
Very nice.
Plus they have small
Washing
washing machine and
nice tile.
look at me. I'm so haggardous.
You're so beautiful.
I'm so beautiful. Like what my husband said.
And I'm so cool.
He's so biased. And he's so
I'm not biased. I know.
No, he's so handsome. He's my husband. He's my husband. So here...
You got a rain shower. Did you show the rain shower?
Yeah, the rain shower. Sure. Here is the small living room. Look at that. Very nice.
Very nice too.
What's that? And
That's Mount Fuji.
no, not Mount.
Yeah,
That's
it is.
Mount Fuji.
Mount Fuji.
I thought that's a big volcano in.
It is a volcano, but that's Mount Fuji. Trust me.
Here, I thought that's in Bicol, the volcan Mayon.
No, it's Mount Fuji. Japanese style, di ba, babe?
Yeah, Japanese style. Open here, our luggage and couches.
It's got a nice chair for to put your leg on. Autumn.
Then there's a
Japanese
nice, I
displays.
like
Yeah,
the
I
way
know. Yeah, I like it too.
space. We have a space.
That's called a floating, shelving. Float. Looks like it's floating.
Very nice. I like that. Then
Nice
here, dining
Oh, nice table.
and TV. Oh, look at this.
Very nice.
My
Panasonic.
husband like this fridge
Yeah, it's a nice fridge.
because the fridge is here. What do you call this one?
Oh,
Then the freezer is down
on the bottom.
on the bottom.
With ice maker and everything.
Yeah, with ice maker. You have to buy fruits.
Nice for just a little bit.
Yep. Then dining table.
I'm gonna hang the key up here, babe.
Then
Only one key?
what's that? What's that called, babe?
That is a humidifier.
What is
And
humidifier?
humidifier plus, I know.
No smoking, except no smoking.
Oh, of course.
Look at this Japanese style, very Japanese.
It's all
Look at the bed.
It's Japanese themes, I know.
Very nice. Look at the frame. Paris. I don't know where's that.
Japanese, that's all I know. Normally they would have like 4 seasons for Japanese.
Hopefully, it's a blackout. It's a blackout.
Oh yeah, it's
curtain.
dark.
It's
You can
dark.
see it's dark there.
The problem is we don't have TV in the.
They don't what?
We don't have TV in the bedroom.
No, they don't. None of them.
Because we used to have a TV in the bedroom. And my working place is a blogger. Wow. Blogger. Then here's a little seat. Then there I can do my vlogging. Very, very nice. Instagrammable. Okay.
I want this for our house too, babe.
Yep.
Remote box. For all the remotes.
Very nice. Love is what makes you home. It's 5:27. Oh, my agape is on. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. We have to eat. Because we're starving. We came from the airport straight from the airport straight here. We're so tired. I'm so hungry. Let's eat. Say yeah. Guys, let's eat. Look what we have
Let's
from
eat
Kuya J.
That's my restaurant. Kuya
Kuya
J.
J. Then Calorita for my love.
All right.
His
My
favorite. Food Panda, thank you so much for saving our lives.
Of course, especially through this pandemic.
At first, we're so hungry. We're from airport. It's late lunch and
Normally
early
we eat
dinner.
at the airport, right, babe?
I know.
Yeah.
We have to go straight from
Yeah.
there so we can
Hurry,
relax.
hurry to come home.
Rice, plain rice.
We're hurry to come
Then-
our new condo.
Where's our chop suey?
I don't know.
Chop suey, right?
Maybe it's there. There's another bag over there. Isn't it? Oh no, it's broken down.
Then what's this in here?
Lumpia?
Lumpia, I think. Yeah, it's lumpia.
Maybe chop suey is in here, babe.
Oh.
Yeah, I think the chop suey is in here.
From Kuya J's. Look at our plate,
Uh-oh.
It's Japanese food. What's in here? I think this
There it is. I know.
No. Where's my lumpia? This is my crispy pasta.
Why do they always mess things up? Oh, that's big. Yeah.
Yummy. Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Oh, you don't have your chop suey. That's your order.
You better call him, baby. You paid for it, right?
Let me check later.
Yeah, check.
Let's eat first. I'm so
Okay.
hungry. It's yours. Your garlic and rice.
Okay. Both? You don't want it? Good there.
Kaya lang, parang bibigyan ng ulo ko. Pagkapit ko kayo, don't hold back. Your long hair can keep going. Sunsilk with vitamin and aloe vera nourishes long hair to be 3 times
What
stronger
good
and
that?
3 times thicker. For hair that's not just long, but 3 times stronger.
I think we should have picked this off
With
then.
Sunsilk, grow
Why?
like grows
So it don't get dirty.
No.
Sunsilk.
Sure?
That's the purpose of that.
No, it's a runner.
That's the purpose of that.
Hello?
Oh my God, so good. Look,
That's good pizza.
it's big. From Kuya J Restaurant.
It's not the same though, huh? Look at the package is even good.
Not local Kuya J. It's national.
Well, I thought that's what it is too in Book One. It's not.
This is local, babe. This is a restaurant from the Book One. This is you can franchise this.
Ito, comment mo.
Ano ko?
Comment mo ngayon. Pakibasa mo nga.
Mukbang.
Ano?
I'm so hungry.
Daw siya, sabi niya,
Really hungry.
sana po ako rin pang online
What happened to it? Ano ba?
Edu po ang course ko.
What? Oh, I don't know.
Si Marie,
We're so hungry. We're
Ano ba, Maria?
from the airport. We're sit here.
Gotta be on the railing or something, babe.
Because you like to hold and I told you don't hold and don't lean.
Binibenta niya, gano'n, naglalako.
Not good.
Do you want me to fall if my knee gives out on me?
Maria, ano ba? Ano ba ang iyong pangarap?
Your face is not
Ano ba
verbal.
gusto mo?
My what?
Your face. I see your face.
I'm eating good. What do you mean?
Ganda naman, di ba?
What do you mean, babe?
Kayo naman, natawagan ka namin.
Rasa?
Mabuti naman. Sige, so kailangan mo ng tablet, no?
Spin.
No.
Okay, meron ka. Ito, may tablet ka para sa ito. Bigay na ako ito.
This is
O, meron ka pang 20,000.
Is that
5 meals already. Like breakfast tomorrow, lunch, dinner again.
and then Kobe?
Ko Benjam.
We'll bring back like we did last time for Kobe.
Mag-awag ka mabuti. Parang...
So good. I have dreams to her.
Thank you, manonood. Congratulations. May tablet ka.
Now, when you eat kimchi, babe,
Bibigyan ako namin tablet.
does it all taste the same to you, or is there ones are better than the other? Or?
It's like more tasty and more
Okay, magiging
appetite. You know, your appetite's like very, very good.
Yeah. Well, I've had kimchi before, but it's not got an acquired taste.
God, my God.
Sige po.
Let me open this on the kimchi.
Okay,
Is that mine?
No.
The smell and everything.
No.
Bye-bye, bye-bye.
Have I ever
The kimchi is good.
good kimchi?
Hmm?
Sarap.
Ang gusto mo mag-volleyball?
My favorite. Tomorrow.
Alam ko mo, player ka, namimiss mo. Alam ko, naglalaro ka.
That kimchi is my favorite tomorrow.
Ano ba ang trabaho ng tatay mo?
Ito.
ay,
Mm.
yung father ko lang po.
Along with sushi.
Asan tatay
It's
mo?
very, very good with a crispy pie.
Malibalay. Saan yun?
Kuya J Restaurant. Baka naman.
Bukid nun.
Bukid doon.
The owner of this is the actor.
Oh yeah.
Ikaw
I
ba
think,
yung-
Hindi na po.
Jericho Rosales.
Where's this located?
Ano trabaho mo?
Located
Ay,
mo.
kuwan po ka ng
This restaurant. How far is it from here?
Baclaran.
Stop
Then,
ka na?
Oh yeah.
staff woman.
yeah, we have a franchise. It's franchise ba?
Oh yeah.
Mm.
Staff clerk po sa Budiga. Yes po.
We think all the restaurants on Food Panda that fed us this past year, a little over a year.
Babali, ganito. Hindi ka na nag-aaral. Sayang
Hindi
naman.
na po.
Ano man tinapos mo hanggang ano? College ka ba? High school?
High school lang po. High school grad.
Try it, babe. It's good.
Yes po.
Ano bang pangarap mo?
Ano siya?
Maybe it's good too.
Pagpagtapos po ng pag-aaral.
Paano ka magtatanong? Nag-aaral ka na. Oo.
Lumpia.
Kasi
There's this sauce.
Ano?
It's not really sweet.
hirap po kasi.
Mm.
Ha?
Good.
Hirap
Good.
po. Hirap po kasi.
Thank you guys for watching. See ya.
Asan?
Bye.
Ang Gabian's family. Thank you so much for the support.
Mm.
Sa bahay.
Thank you. Love you. Bye.